This is definitely cooler vibe than a lot of the drinks we've made. Very silky, sophisticated. You know, when you are just trying to take on the world and all the adult things, even when you feel like, you know, you might not have any arms or legs, this is your reminder that 'tis but a scratch. And you got this shit. It's silky and cool and refined and really just sort of brings you to that kind of fresh, dewy, cool summer morning. So let's go shopping. So first, for our 'tis but a scratch, Barcelona Ginraw Gin from Barcelona. And this is gonna have an addition kind of to your normal juniper. It's got really lemon and citrus, and then it's also got like a smoked black cardamom, so you get a little more savory notes. It's also very just like smooth and crisp and clear, which is going to be perfect for what we want for a very like gin forward martini-esque style cocktail. So next, we are going to use Cap Corse. This is a white wine aperitif made in Corsica with the island's most well-known grape, and then also local island citrus and quinquina bark. So you get kind of all of those nice little complex flavor notes. And then it is a family owned, and they do all of the creation of it in-house. So very fun to utilize in our cocktail. Then next, we are going to use this Japanese Yuzu Liqueur. Very fun. The yuzu is going to be sort of a limey, grapefruit, lemony citrus, and it adds that bright citrus component, but just a little bit different perhaps than the citrus that we are normally used to in cocktails. This is also made with yuzu from 100-year-old grove, and it's really fun. All right, I'm gonna show you how to make our 'tis but a scratch. So we're gonna start with our mixing glass full of ice, 2 ounces gin, 1 ounce Cap Corse, 1/2 ounce Yuzu Liqueur. Stir. Wait, should not make noise. This is terrible. Oh my gosh, ice. Chill out.
You just told ice to chill out.
Okay. Martini glass. Strain. Two dashes orange bitters. And garnish with a cherry. Ooh. And if you want to make it a little sweeter, you can just add a little bit more of the cherry juice. 'Tis but a scratch. That is how you make 'tis but a scratch.